Good evening, guys. Tonight we're going to make a special snack, and this is called carrot Puto cheese or rice cake with carrot flavor. So for our ingredients, we need a piece of medium-sized carrot, and then we need to grate it into 3/4 cup. We also need 1 cup of evaporated milk, or the small size of evaporated canned milk. And then we need some sliced cheese for topping, 3 medium-sized eggs or 2 large eggs. And then we need some white sugar. Now I'm using only half cup of white sugar because I don't want my puto to be really sweet. And then 1 cup of all-purpose flour, or you can use cake flour. And we need 1 tablespoon of soft butter or melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla powder or vanilla extract. So these are our ingredients. Now stay tuned as we make carrot Puto cheese. Okay, so first we need to mix the dry ingredients. Sip the flour to make sure that there is no lump. Okay, then put the vanilla powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix the baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Then now we can mix the sugar. Pour slowly. Okay. Then mix thoroughly. Now we can set it aside and we will mix the wet ingredients. The eggs slowly. Okay. Then pour the evaporated milk slowly. Just pour it slowly. Okay, then mix it thoroughly. Then scoop a tablespoon of butter. And then again mix it thoroughly. Make sure that there is no lump. Okay, once there is no more lump, then we can put the dry ingredients slowly. Pour in the dry ingredients slowly. And then mix it thoroughly. Until the batter is smooth. And until there is no more lump. Okay. So there. Need to mix it thoroughly. And mix it. Be careful not to overmix it. Otherwise it's gonna be tough and gummy. Okay, once the batter is nice and smooth like that, then we can pour in the grated carrot. Pour slowly. Okay, wow, it's really good. The color is really good already. I like it. Okay, pour in more carrot. There. Nice. More carrot. Okay. 10. Mix it again. Okay, now we're ready to pour the batter into the molders. Now we need first to grease the molders with a little butter so that it won't stick. So grease the molders with butter. Okay. Grease the molders with butter. Use the molder. Okay, now I have put the batter into the molders. Now we need to put some cheese on top. Put some slices of cheese on top. Now I used a kind of big molder, so we need more cheese on top. I want a lot of cheese on top. Okay, so after this, we can put foil to cover the molders, and then we're ready to steam. Okay. Okay, now so we covered with foil. Now we're ready to steam. Okay, we have pre-boiled the water, so now we're steaming. We can steam it for 20 to 25 minutes because we used bigger molders. For 20 minutes. On medium heat. Okay, so stay right there. We'll be right back. Okay, so let's have a test after 20 minutes. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, see, so the toothpick test after 20 minutes. Okay, wow, looks good, right? Okay, so let's have the toothpick test. Okay, it's clear, so it's ready after 20 minutes. You have to take it off the thing, take it off the boiling water. Okay, yeah, it's ready. There it is. It's ready after 20 minutes. Yeah, it's nice and soft and fluffy. It's nice, soft and fluffy. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so very nice. They're now ready after 20 minutes. Okay. So guys, after 20 minutes, our carrot puto cheese are ready. Okay, so let's have a taste test. Alright. So this is our carrot puto cheese. It's really good, right? Soft and fluffy, and we have some strands of carrots inside, which is really good. Okay, I'm gonna make this more often. This is really good. You see? There. It's soft and fluffy. Okay, so guys, this is our carrot and puto cheese or carrot rice cake.